Hey everyone, this is Alex. Welcome back to my videos on solving LeetCode problems. And now we're solving problem 443, string comprehension. Given an array characters chars, compress it using the following algorithm. Begin with an empty string s for each group of consecutive repeating characters in chars. If the group length is 1, append the character to s, otherwise append the character followed by the group's length. Okay, I get it. Compressed string should not be returned separately, but instead should be stored in the input character array chars. Note that the group length are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters and chars. After you're done modifying the input array, return the new length of the array. You must write an algorithm that uses only constant extra space. So if characters is A, B, B, C, 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 it should be A, 1, B1, C2. No, C3. No, A2, of course. A2, B2, C3. Return 6 in the first 6 characters. 2B2, C3. Okay. Okay, cool. So compress. So number of final chars chars equals 0 and current counter equals 0, I guess. So and current char equals none. So for char and chars, if current char is none, then current char equals char and current counter plus equals 1. No, current counter equals 1, I guess. If it's none, else if char is different than current char, then number of final chars plus equals 2. Well, depends. If current counter equals 1, number of final characters plus equals 1, and current char equals none, else plus equals 2. And let's just keep the value that we have. So modify index 0. So chars of modify index equals current char, and then modify index plus equals 1. Otherwise, this will ruin it, so I need to move this one down. This is, there's like no secret. I'm just like iterating and modifying things. And then characters of modified index is current char. Characters of modified index plus 1 is current counter. And modify index plus equals 2, and current counter is 0. And same here. So we get to the end, and well, current counter is not none. Current counter needs to be 1. Current char is not none. Current char is char, because it's already counting the next char. Yep. So at the end, we just pretty much do the same thing. Would be great if we could add just another ridiculous char in the end. Like a char that is never the current char. Would be nice if we could have. Well, let's do that. Let's cheat. I think it's okay if we do that. Chars. No, I don't think I can modify it though. Let's just do this. For index in range length of chars plus 1. Char equals chars of index. If char is different than current char, or if index equals length of chars, so if this already went to the last one, no, this already went overboard. If index is smaller than length of chars, else I can just do A. Doesn't matter. So return number of final chars. Output ABC. How can this be outputting ABC? First of all, returning something. How can this be? Else. So is the current counter always 1? Is that a problem? wait. Current counter is 1. So when it iterates again, I'm never. Oh yes, I've never seen that. If length index or index else, I'm not doing the if. Else current counter plus equals 1. A2, B2, C3. Oh, these ones need to be strings, okay. String current counter. Yeah, this is it. It's the only one. One, two. The group length there are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters in chars. A, B, 1, 2. Okay, so I guess I'll just do string of count equals this. So modify index, chars of modify index plus 1 all the way up to modify index plus length of string of count is string of count. I don't think I can do this. No, I can't do this. No, I need to do something different. I need to do a for loop there. So plus equals 1 plus the length of string of count. Okay. So now, I was doing this equals that. So for and char in enumerate string of count, chars of modified index plus 1 plus I equals char. Modified index I say it's 2. No, that's not true. So I add 1 plus length of string of count I should run this locally. Let me just create a new file. Solution dot compress, and let's compress this. Oh, number of final characters. Yeah, this is not true here. Is +1 plus. Is this a problem? Might be. Oh yeah, done. Runtime 57, memory not so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you later.